Hello, Smart Stars. Welcome to Snowquizzes, the playground for quick minds and sharp wits. Now, tell me, do you really think you are as smart as you say you are? It's time to prove it. Today's math challenge will test your speed, focus, and problem solving. Only the sharpest minds make it to the final level. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun quizzes and brain workouts. Are you ready? Let's go.
The school drama club raised $120 from ticket sales and $80 from snack sales. How much money did they collect in total? Add both amounts carefully to find the total. The correct answer is $200. Coach Daniel bought drinks for a team trip. He spent $50 on juice and $30 on snacks. What was the total cost? The correct answer is $80. Maya sold handmade bracelets and earned $300. She spent $100 on materials. What was her profit? Subtract the cost from the amount she earned, and the correct answer is $200. The class council raised $40 from ticket sales and $60 from donations. How much money did they raise all together? Add both amounts to get the total. The correct answer is $100. Leo's lemonade stand earned $150. He spent $90 on supplies. What was his profit? Take away the expenses from the money earned, and the correct answer is $60. The sports team collected $200 from ticket sales and $50 from food stalls. What is the total income? Add both amounts carefully, and the correct answer is $250. Mrs. Kemi spent $60 on printing flyers and $20 on transport. What was the total expense? Add the two costs together, and the correct answer is $80. Daniel earned $100 from selling comics. He spent $40 on printing costs. What was his profit? Subtract the expenses from the earnings, and the correct answer is $60. The music band raised $150 from a show and $50 from donations. How much money was collected altogether? How much money was collected altogether? Add both amounts to find the total, and the correct answer is $200. A football club earned $400 from ticket sales. They spent $150 on equipment. What was the profit? Subtract the expenses from the total earnings. The correct answer is $250. At a school fair, Class 7A made $180 from food sales and $120 from games. What was their total income? Add both amounts together carefully. The correct answer is $300. Zara's Bakery sold cakes and earned $350. She spent $200 on ingredients. What was her profit? Take away the cost from the amount earned. The correct answer is $150. The debate club raised $90 from entry fees, $80 from snacks, and $70 from donations. What was the total income? Add all three amounts together, The correct answer is $240. Coach Moose's team earned $500 from sponsors. They spent $200 on training kits. What was the profit? Subtract the expenses from the total earnings, and the correct answer is $300. A school event spent $120 on decorations and $60 on the sound system. What was the total cost? Add both expenses carefully, and the correct answer is $180. Toulouse Book Stand earned $250 from novels and $150 from magazines. What was the total income? Combine both amounts together, and the correct answer is $400. The art club earned $600. They spent $250 on paint and brushes. What was the profit? Subtract the expenses from the earnings. The correct answer is $350. Chica sold t-shirts and earned $320. She spent $120 on production. What was the profit? Take away the production cost from the earnings. The correct answer is $200. Event, St. Mary's School sold tickets and earned $300. They also earned $180 from snack sales, but spent $250 in total expenses. What was the profit? Add the earnings together, then subtract the expenses. And the answer is $230. A basketball team earned $800 from sponsors. They spent $350 on travel. What was the profit? Subtract the travel cost from the total earnings. The correct answer is $450. King's College earned $450 from ticket sales and $200 from food sales. They spent $300 on logistics. What was the profit? Add the earnings first, then subtract the expenses. The correct answer is $350. At a fundraiser, Green Valley School earned $600. They spent $275 on supplies. What was the profit? Take away the expenses from the total amount earned. The correct answer is $325. The Science Club raised $900. They spent $400 on equipment. What was the profit? Subtract the equipment cost from the total raised. The correct answer is $500. During a concert, the choir earned $700 from ticket sales and $150 from donations. They spent $300. What was the profit? Add the earnings together, then subtract the expenses. The correct answer is $550. Bright Future School earned $1,000 from fundraising activities. They spent $450 on logistics. What was the profit? Add the earnings first, then subtract the expenses. The correct answer is $600. The Robotics Club earned $550 from sponsors and $250 from exhibitions. They spent $200. What was the profit? Add the earnings first, then subtract the expenses. The correct answer is $600. A student group earned $750 from an event. They spent $325 on materials. What was the profit? Take away the material cost from the earnings. The correct answer is $425. Elite Academy raised $1,200 from tickets and $300 from donations, but spent $500. What was profit? Add the earnings together, then subtract the expenses, and the answer is $1,000. A tech club earned $1,500 from sponsors. They spent $600 on project materials. What was the profit? Subtract the expenses from the total earnings. The correct answer is $900. Riverdale School earned $1,800 from events and $400 from snack sales. They spent $700. What was the profit? Combine the earnings and subtract the expenses. The correct answer is $1,500. A music festival earned $2,000. They spent $850 on setup. What was the profit? Subtract the setup cost from the total earnings. The correct answer is $1,150. A coding boot camp earned $2,500 from registrations and $500 from sponsors. They spent $1,000. What was the profit? Add the earnings first, then subtract the expenses. The correct answer is $2,000. A university event earned $3,000. They spent $1,200 on logistics. What was the profit? Take away the logistics cost from the total earnings. The correct answer is $1,800. A football academy earned $2,200 from games and $600 from donations. They spent $900. What was the profit? Add the earnings together and subtract the expenses. The correct answer is $1,900. A business club earned $2,800. They spent $1,100 on event planning. What was the profit? Subtract the expenses from the earnings. The correct answer is $1,700. A national youth event earned $3,500 from ticket sales and $800 from sponsors. They spent $1,500. What was the profit? Add the earnings together, then subtract the expenses. The correct answer is $2,800.